Let's review our fortune teller program. There are three main parts to this program. First, we ask the user to pick a number between 1 and 10. Next, we output the user's fortune depending on which number is inputted. Let's implement this program. In the code, we already have a print statement that asks the user to pick a number between 1 and 10. We also have a scanner that reads in the next int a user inputs. With the next int operation, we save the output in a variable called inputted_num. Now we have to make a decision in our program. If the inputted num is less than 5, the program should output the good luck fortune. If the inputted num is equals to or greater than 5, the program should print out the shoe selection fortune. Before we were just using blocks, but this is a specific type of control flow statement that starts with an if. So we call it an if statement. An if statement is a control flow statement where if the condition is true, it performs some kind of action. In this case, our condition is inputted num less than 5. The condition will either be true or false. For our program, if an inputted number is less than 5, meaning the condition is true, then we execute the code in the if block or in the curly brackets. In this case, if the inputted num is less than 5, we would print out enjoy the good luck a friend brings you. This print statement would only be executed if the condition is true, meaning inputted num is less than 5. So what if the inputted num is not less than 5? Then condition evaluates to false. When we mapped out our condition in an earlier lesson, we said that if inputted num was not less than 5, then we wanted to print out the other fortune. To do this, we add an else statement to our if condition. The curly bracket with the else statement encompasses the code that will be run if the condition is false. Similar to the if block, the code inside the else block only runs if the condition is false. We don't always have to have an else block associated with an if block, but we do in this case because we want to perform an action if the condition is not true. Let's add an if statement to our code. We will write if and then our condition inputted num is less than 5. We will create our if block with the curly brackets and we will write system.out.println.out.println. In this we will write our statement enjoy the good luck a friend brings you, and then I will write the else condition here and I will print system.out.print your shoe selection will make you happy today, and I will execute the program. Let's see how it runs. It is asking me for an input, so based on the input it will give the output. So I am typing 4 here. So on the basis of 4, it provides me output as enjoy the good luck a friend brings you, as 4 is smaller than 5. So that is why if had printed the if block. I will run it again and see how it will execute if the block is else. Now I will give it a 7. Then your shoe selection will make you happy today is executed as the condition is false. Next, we will take a look at a concept called scope and show how it relates to if statement.